It's a tradition that's been handed down. Rice farming in the community has been a real big deal. That's what has driven our community for quite some time. I couldn't wait to get in the field with my dad. That was probably one of my favorite pastimes. Someday my pain. He was there, he worked a lot. He worked very hard at what he did. He was always there to give me a hand and just enough room to hang myself. When I originally left to go to school, that was my intention, was to go to school. And I was fortunate enough to be able to take those opportunities and to branch out and view and see in different walks of life. Went into the restaurant business, did that for a little while, and got into the music business. I was always searching for something, not necessarily knowing where I was going and what I was trying to do, just going and doing and trying to find that niche. Where do I fit in? It's a big question. Eventually, as I was working on a documentary, much as you guys yourself, we went out into the jungle in northeastern Cambodia. It's a rice farming community as well. They plant everything by hand. Everybody's there together. Everybody's doing everything together to help one another. Yeah, they butt heads and they fight and everything else just like everybody else. But their measure of worth is completely different. And I realized I'd been missing the picture for a while. When it hit, I knew what I needed to do. I didn't need to be anywhere else but here. Kind of have to figure out what you want to do. That was it. Ah, damn it. You got me. As it grows, as you harvest, and then make preparations for the following year, it's a cycle of everything moving together. This is our land.